Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2014 Ram Promaster cargo van. This is a diesel, but before we get started, I want to let you know that this van is sitting on a decline. That's why it seems it's like it's sitting a little weird. Just so you know, heads up. All these cars over here are hogging up my video walk around space, so I do apologize for that. But what we'll do is we'll do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just gonna get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a really great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has the tow pack there, backup sensors. It even has the as you can see, it's kind of tilting like that. It's because of the road there, I do apologize. But as you can see, it has the backup camera, I should say backup sensors, tow pack, and then up there is the backup camera. Get down here on tire size here in just a moment. Hopefully that helps. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks, power fold-in mirrors. Step back a little bit here. Get the condition of the cloth. Captain's chairs there. I don't see any rips or tears. Let's get some features up front here. Steering wheel controls, Bluetooth phone, media center there. Let me step up into this guy. Media center there, backup camera, all of that good stuff. AC, everything blows cold, heat, all of that. Looks like it has a factory tow assist there. Let's get up here. All right, I'm gonna open up some of these doors out back here. Normally I don't do walk-arounds with these cargo vans, just so you guys know. But I can tell you this much, now that it's the end of the year, tax season, everybody's buying these things up right now for write-off purposes. Alright. Side door here. Let's pop that hood real quick before we turn it over. Latch for the hood right here. I got that. There we go. Did that beforehand. Anyways, I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this.
Star 800 available sales. Call on hold star 800.
I do apologize for that, folks. But what I was saying is, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things. So please keep that in mind. You know, I'd encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau or Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. Again, this is a diesel, so you got to wait for the fuel is low. Front and left doors are open. All right, there is the mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. There's the backup camera there. Seems to stay almost always on when you have it in neutral or reverse, just so you know. All right, let's go back to that engine so you can hear how it sounds. Turn along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. See you next time.